Question 3. Many airlines ask you to buy a ticket 40 days before your flight. If Tanvi leaves 20 June, on what day should he buy his ticket? So, what is the normal thing? Normal thing is we have to buy the ticket 14 days before. So, this is 20 June, 20 June before 40. So, it means 6 June. So, what day should he buy his ticket? 6th June. Okay. Next, Misha arrived at the hotel 8th July and will stay 3 nights. What date will Misha check out of the hotel? So 8th July and plus 8 plus 3, it means 11th July he will check out. Abida turns 7 years old on 11th September. Look, which is a very important thing. 11th June, Abida turns 7 years old. 11th September, Jim turns 7 years old on 18th September. How many days older is Abida? So Abida born earlier, 11th June. It's not actually July. It's 11th September, right? It's a September. So 11th September and to 18th September. So difference is how many days? 7 days. Okay, very simple. Stephania will be 13 years old on 7th October 2023. In what year was she born? Look, born 2023, so that time she was 13, so minus 13, it will be what? 2010. Okay, it means 2010. How old will she be on 7th October 2030? So 7th October 23, she was 13 years old, and 2030 minus 2023, it means 7, right? So 7 and here 13. So 7 plus 13 equals to 20. So how old will she be on 7th October 2030? 20 years old. Okay, very simple. Question 4. How many days are there between 3rd June 2022 and 25th November 2022? So first we have to count 3rd June to 30 June. So this is 33rd June. So we have to start from 4. So 30 minus 4, it means what? 30 minus 3, it means 3rd June to 30th June. How many days? Here is 27 days, right? 27 days. Next, our target to find out 25 November. It's a 25 November. So here is a July 31. So here is 27, then July 31, then August 31, and then September 30. Next, October 31, and finally November 25. Okay. And here is mentioned between. It means we are not take this 25 November, we should take up to 24 November because between. So it here is a 4. Now we will make summation. So here is 174 days. 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, carry 1. So 2 and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 2, 17. So our first answer is 174 days. Number B of question 4. Daniel was born on 10th January 2003. How old will be on his birthday 2018? So it's a 15 years. 15 years. How? 2018 minus 2003. It's a very simple subtraction, 15 years. Question 4, last question. Lily's holiday is from 9th May to 21st May. Song's holiday start on 12th May and last 2 weeks. Whose holiday is longer and by how many days? Okay, so 9th May to 21st May, here is how many days? Here is around 13 days, right? 13 days. How it will be 13 days? Because 21 minus 9, it will be 12, but 21 also a holiday. So also we take 9th May. Let's check. 9th May, look, 9th May, 10th May, 11th May. If you consider or counting, it will be 13 days, right? And next, Song's holiday start from 12th May and last 2 weeks. 2 weeks means 14 days. So 12 plus 14, it will be how many days? 2 weeks. 12 May to 25 May, right? So it will be how many? 14 days. 2 weeks mean 14 days. Song's holiday start on 12th May and last 2 weeks. Whose holiday is longer? So Song's holiday is longer and different 1 day. So we can say Song's holiday is longer, and or we can say holiday is longer by 1 day. Okay, very simple. Question 5. Solve the calendar questions. I packed a suitcase 7th April to visit my grandma in 3 days' time. I will stay for 9 days. What day and date I will get home? What does mean? I packed a suitcase on 7th April to visit my grandma in 3 days' time. I will stay for 9 days. So 7th plus 3, it means 10th April, and stay 9 days, it means 18th April. April. But how? Look, I packed on, so 7 3 days, it means 10th April. Now I will stay for 9 days. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and also together 9, also 10, right? It will be start from 10 because 7 day to 3, it means 7th April plus 3, it means 10th April. So 10th April he arrived grandma house. So here is a 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 18th April. So be careful about this one. Next question. My friend was coming to stay on 16th April for 3 days. She will ill and could not come for another week. Then she stayed for 5 days. What day and date did she go home? So look, 16th April and 16th April for 3 days. She will ill and could not come for another week. So we can say 16, 17, 18. 16, 17, 18. It means here is a 3 days. Okay. Now we have to read. So 16 April for 3 days. So this is a 3 days, which is 18th April. Now she was ill and could not come for another week. Then she stayed for 5 days. So 5 days, it means what? So look, it's a important thing. She was ill and could not come for another week. So plus 7 days. So now we can calculate from in here. This is 16, 3 days, then 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 24. And then stay 5 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means it's a 28 April. Okay. What day and date she go home? What day? It's a 28th April and day is a what? Monday. Are you clear? If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. Question 6. Only children aged 10 and above can ride the roller coaster. Nabila is 8 years old and Gina is 9 years old. How many years do they have to wait until they can both ride the roller coaster? So minimum is 10. Nabila 8. It means she have to wait 2 years. Next, Gina is 9, so she will wait for 1 year. Very simple. Number 7, it's like assumption of what can you measure using different unit of time. Write 2 examples for each. Like years. Years, it can be age of a person. Age of a person. And next, we can say how long a tree has been growing. Okay. Month, duration of a school term. Duration of a school term. Next, it can be length of pregnancy. It's a month, right? Length of pregnancy. Days, number of days in a holiday trip, or we can say days until an exam. We can write number of days. Number of days in a holiday trip, in a holiday trip, or we can say days until an exam. It's a depends on days. Days until an exam. Hours. Length of a school lesson. Length, it should be L-E-N-G, length of a school lesson. Next, time taken for a train journey. Time taken for a train journey. Minutes. Minutes can be time to boil an egg, right? Time to boil an egg, right? Or duration a short phone call. Duration a short phone call, right? Okay, very simple. So number 7 done. Think like a mathematician. Look, work with a partner. You will need a minute timer. Take turns to walk the length of a space or around your playground for 1 minute. Count how many steps you took. How many steps did you each walk in a minute? So it actually depends on mood, it's some size. So in normal things, 80 to 120 steps per minute. Steps per minute. Okay. If you walked for 2 minutes, do you think that you would walk twice the number of steps? Example, you're thinking. Yes, if we walk 2 minutes, so it can be 80 times 2, 160 steps in 2 minutes. But another matter, if you say walk 5 minutes, it can be reduced because body cannot walk same thing, it can be tired. Anyway, how many steps could you walk in 10 minutes, in 30 minutes, in an hour? So 10 minutes, it can be multiplied with 80. It means 800 steps. Next, it can be reduced if we 30 minutes. So if we 70, 30, it means 7 times 3 is a 21 and 0 steps. And an hour, it also again reduce because you have to tired, so it can be 65 times 60, right? So it will be 65 times 60, so it will be 3900 steps. So everything depends on health, size, practice, lots of things. So this video I have to stop in here. So exercise 14.1 done. Next video we will start 14.2 timetables. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. Thank you.